Hey, welcome back. All right, so today we're going to be going into Target to see what they have new. So, of course, we're going to start out at the dollar spot, Bullseye Section. So they have a few cute pieces here. They have a lot of white and blacks going on, which is great because it can fit in a lot of different places. They have these mats, which I think would be great for layering or in your laundry room, someplace like that. They have these cute little baskets. They have just so many cute little things in at the dollar section now. And they actually have something that is $1. It's been a long time since something was $1 in the dollar spot. These, I thought they were candle holders, but they're not. But they look super cute with the little top wood piece, and then they have the little like leather like strap handle, and they come in other colors. So that color is not the only color that they come in. They come in a stripe, they come in a black also. So like I said, right now at the dollar spot they have a lot of cute little pieces. Hearth and Hand, I always take a look at their section. I have a few pieces in my house from them, and they always have cute little pieces. This mirror was cute. It's not that big, but if you're looking for a nice, cute, small mirror, this is a great option from them right now. They have a lot of new pieces in as well. A lot of neutrals, like always with them though. This piece I really loved. It's a canister and it comes in different sizes. I like it because of the texture. So I'm into like that whole natural look, that whole, muted colors, and then you can play off them. I have these containers in my house. I used a flower one for coffee pods, so I use it like in my coffee station. So if you don't want to use them what they're for, you could just turn them around, and then you can't really see it on here, but that natural little speckled look. So I love those. I like these little pieces they have here for the bathroom. I'm doing my bathroom over, and I'm thinking about trading the pieces that I got from Home Goods for these. I'm not 100% sure yet, but I do like those. I always love a good wood bowl because, you can use it for so many things, and this one is nice and deep too. So like I said, they have a lot of great little pieces here in this section. And then Threshold always has good pieces too. So if you're looking for something right now from Target, get on over there and grab some of these pieces. This one was my favorite. At first I thought it was a cutting board, and then when I picked it up I saw it was a book stand for the kitchen, and that is so cute because you can play that with the, everybody's layering their cutting boards and stuff like that. So that is awesome for the counter. And then this basket, I always love a good basket, and it's nice and simple, and I like things that you can mix with a lot of different type of decors. And see, that's the great thing about neutral pieces, you can mix them. They have this in, I believe, a bigger size too, and I love the way it looked. It had that kind of the antique like look, but without the antique like look, if that makes sense. I'm always looking for a good side table because, like I said, I'm doing over every room in my house, and I'm always looking for a good side table. I thought those were a good option. Wall decor, the woven basket type things, I always think those are cute pieces if you're looking for something for wall decor. I used to not be into the glazed look in pottery, but something about these that I really, really did like. And of course, this piece here with the texture in it, and it goes good with both pieces, the glazed piece, the textured piece. These chairs were cute. I couldn't find a tag on them, but they were in the Threshold section. So I thought these were super cute, and then you can see they put it together with the little table, and it's a cute little moment. This little it's a plant stand and then a plant holder. I wasn't sure if that was how it was supposed to go, but I think you could use the plant stand for dual purposes. You see they had the big candle there, and I think it looks cute as a candle holder. It looks cute as the plant stand, so you can go a lot of ways with this. And then they had this one there I loved. So just a lot of cute pieces. Valentine's Day is like right around the corner, and if you wanted to do something but you don't want those big colors in your home, this is cute. And then it's kind of cute, you could leave it up for after Valentine's Day too. And then they had another one here. This you could probably throw together with a DIY, but why not? It's real inexpensive and it's cute. Like I said, and they both go together rather well. A good tray for your coffee table is always good, as a centerpiece, something. And then you can play this all year round into the holidays. Right now, this is a good piece to have in your home. I would have liked to see more furniture pieces, but they didn't have them at the 2 Targets that I did go to, but they did have a few pieces for us to look at. This chair I thought was a good piece. It looks like an outside chair, but I'm sure it's an inside chair, like the shape of it. And then it looks like this chair that I did see that had more of a slope to it that was like super duper duper expensive. So I thought that was a good one. A planter is always good. And I like it came in, it looks like slightly different sizes, so you can just have that little moment there when you're doing your planters. I'm not big on plants because I kill them, but if you can find a nice faux plant, I would put that in there. Another cute little chair, again, that same little, these simple lines, that's what we're going for, these simple clean lines and stuff like that. It's either you're going for structural type pieces, clean simple lines, and I like a clean simple line in my pieces, and because of the pattern, it looks like it'll be a little bit comfy, as well as having that, clean simple look. This coffee table, I think I've seen it before, but I still like it no matter how many times I see it. I like a good wood piece. It's too thick for what I'm looking to do, but I do like a nice and simple piece like that. They have these other pieces in too that I did like. This ottoman I did like, but they have these other pieces in that I did like. The only thing is, the one I did see in store, you see the table there, it was chipped. So I'm not sure how it actually holds up in the home, but I do like them so much. And they have a console table like this too. And so I really do like the pieces. I'm just not sure how it holds up because it's a laminate on top of it. Another good basket tray type thing that you can use for your coffee table or as a centerpiece, layer your things in it. And I thought that was a nice big chunky piece, because a lot of times all you need is a good chunky piece to make a statement in your home. This piece, because I live in a town where it is very beach theme, and so I like things that play into it without overdoing it. This chair I like. I just love the color of a good leather chair, and I like it with the black. I'm not sure how comfy it is, but I do like it. It is nice, it's simple. And then they have this collection, Bright Room, which is new to Target, and it's about organization, because everybody needs to be organized nowadays. They have a lot of cute little pieces in here for organization. A lot of it reminds me of IKEA pieces, but at a good price, so you can get organized right now with their Bright Room collection. They have storage boxes, they have storage containers, they have garbage cans, they have baskets, they have the shelving like you've seen, they have the carts, they have just about everything you need to get your home organized. You can see the trash cans in all different sizes, so you can do them in different rooms. Just everything you need right now to get organized, and all, like I said, at a reasonable price, not overpriced. So if you're looking to get organized, get on down there and get you some of their Bright Room collection right now. So like I said, they have everything you need, from food storage to everything, and get you nice. And then these pieces, something about them I just liked. And then the way they had them displayed together, just really did it for me. They had the black pieces, they had the wood pieces, they had a little bit of marble in there, and they all were good for the kitchen. So this was my real favorite part of what I did find at Target recently. I'm not even a pizza person, but I just wanted that pizza tray. I don't know. But let me know what you thought, and are you getting anything new this season from Target? And I will see you in the next one.